Hey guys, may na-discover akong frozen yogurt shop dito sa Antipolo. At ang nagustuhan ko dito talaga, hindi lang siya basta dessert. Alam naman natin ang yogurt may natural benefits for digestion, may probiotics at may good bacteria yan. Hindi katulad ng karamihan ng mga ice cream sa market na puro tamis lang. Tapos dito, ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng yogurt mo. Mamimili ka ng yogurt base, tapos mix and match mo hanggang 20 choices of toppings plus sweet or premium sauces. And yes, do it yourself yan. Bahala ka sa trip mo. O siya, panoorin mo muna to. The good thing about yogurt, especially the frozen ones, it's not just a dessert. Yogurt naturally contains probiotics or good bacteria which help with digestion and make it feel lighter compared to regular ice cream. The Yummy Frogurt also offers charcoal-infused yogurt. Activated charcoal is known for helping absorb impurities and excess gas, so it gives a cleaner, lighter dessert experience. This is not a medicine, but if you want a less guilty, more mindful dessert, this is the good option for you. Lang yan, napa-English ako dun ah. And guys, meron din silang ibang options if you wanna be a little fancy. Yan no, meron silang Nachos Frogurt. Meron siyang waffle wafer, yung ginagamit sa ice cream cone. Tapos, bahala ka na rin kung anong toppings ang gusto mong idagdag. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng presentation, very eye-appealing, masarap. Tapos, the best part, sobrang healthy pa. Pero alam mo bang meron pang better dun sa best part? Kasi guys, itong The Yummy Frogurt, open sila for franchising at sobrang bilis daw ng ROI dito. Potentially, it can earn you 117,000 pesos per month. At ito yun guys, conservative computation pa lang yan. May ginawang video dyan si Boss RDR. Ilalagay ko na lang dun sa comment section. Panoorin nyo at malay nyo, ito na pala yung business na magbibigay breakthrough sa'yo. Oops, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kung nandun ka sa Antipolo branch, which is the main branch of the Yummy Frogurt, meron din sila dun pizza and takoyaki. Ipopost ko na lang din dun sa comment section yung mga options. Ang perfect no combination ng pizza, takoyaki, and Frogurt. Highly recommended ko tong place na to kasi high quality din lahat ng paninda nila. Kaya tara na dito, whether as a customer or a future franchisee. Dahil ang The Yummy Frogurt pasok sa ating
So good, so flavorful. Please like and follow.